Hey there, everyone. I hope you're having a great day because I sure am. So, I have another nice little product review coming to you from your old boy here, SEMO-MAC. So, I have been talking to the company Yousunlong after doing a review for them on that Damascus folding pocket knife that had the bullhorn handle. And you know, we're going back and forth, and they asked me if I would like to actually do another review for them. And your boy, he's like, oh yeah, bring it on. So another knife, sorry, but that's what I got, and I think y'all are really going to like this one. I was highly impressed with it. So like I said, Yousunlong, they actually sent this out to me, so this is a sponsored video by them, and I greatly appreciate them. They've been really great. Enjoy going back and forth with them. So you get a nice little carrying case. So yes, this is going to be a folding knife. It is actually a nice nylon case. Got a little crushed velvet thing going on here. Here's your little pocket inside. Put that up here for you. And oh yeah, if you saw it, this is going to be one crazy little color scheme, and I really like it. I'm not going to lie. My oldest is trying to take it from me. So here it is, y'all. Yeah, it's a little crazy, ain't it? But I'm gonna be honest with you, I actually really like it. It's very unique, and y'all know me, I love unique knives. But it gets even crazier. But before we whip this blade out, we're going to start off. These are G10 handles on here. They are very, very smooth. They feel really good. The multicolor pattern on this is just amazing. I think it's really cool. You do have your ambidextrous belt clip, and yes, it does have good retention, so you can put it over here, you can put it over here. And how this is actually done, it's belt tip up, or your blade tip up on here. So your deploy, your back flip right here, and here we go, because this is going to be a yeah, it's going to be awesome. Oh yes, yep. And look at that blade, y'all. Have y'all seen anything like that? And no, that's not rust. That is something that is just the coolest thing I've ever seen. So this is a Damascus, but it is and gosh, I'm not going to pronounce this right. It's a CuMai Damascus. It is, and I'll throw it right up here because it's a CuMai, CuMai Damascus. And what this is it is a Damascus steel that is made up of 73 layers of copper, brass, and nickel. All right. So copper, brass, and nickel into a steel blade. So as you saw in the Damascus that I had on the other one from Yousunlong, it was mainly just, your high carbon steel, high and low carbon steel with a nickel. Well, now you got the high carbon steel and all of that, high and low with brass and copper and the nickel as well. So it gives it a beautiful looking blade. Look at that. Look at how that light hits that. That's just crazy. It is beautiful. I'm telling you what, y'all, Yousunlong, they make some beautiful knives. I have not had one complaint. I still got the Damascus one that they've done, and it is beautiful. But yeah, pretty much got your it's not really I want to call it a stiletto, but it's not. But it has your basic shape of a stiletto because you don't have a blade over here. But yeah, there's their logo, as you can see, if you can see it there with all that. So it's right there. Y'all, the action of this. All right, here we go. I'm not even going to put hardly any. Look, it done it on its own. I mean, this thing. Look at that. I had a buddy look at it, and he was just he loved it, and he turned around, and I told him, I said, man, check out the deploy of this, and he was really wanting to flip it out there, and I'm like, don't do that, just barely touch it, and it comes right out. This is probably one of the smoothest deploys, backflip deploy knives that I've had. It's just beautiful. I mean, whew, yeah, this is some great stuff. So you're looking at, so they do everything in millimeters, and I'll try to do a little conversion. I'll throw it up there, but you're looking at total length, fully deployed out, is 190 millimeters. And like I said, we'll throw the conversion up there for you, because off the top of my head, I have no freaking clue. Closed, it's 110 millimeters, which makes your blade length 80 millimeters. So I'm going to guess, and we'll see if I'm right, because I'll throw everything up here behind me. I'm going to say this is probably a 3-inch blade, maybe 3 1/4. So we'll see if I'm right after I do the math on this and throw it up here so y'all can see it. But blade thickness on here is roughly at 22 millimeter or 25 millimeters. I'm sorry. And like I said, yeah, the length is 80 millimeter. So I actually do some math on that. But y'all, this is one of those that it's a tool. Like I said, I know it's beautiful and it's very unique, but this also is a tool. And I'm going to tell you right now, this joker is sharp. They've got a they don't even have a heck of a blade. They got a hell of a blade on this one. That's just all there is to it. This is crazy. I mean, it is the blade on this is, whoo, that's all I can say. But this is going to be awesome for everyday carry. Not only are you getting a very quality knife on this, you're also getting a cool freaking knife on this. This will definitely be a conversation piece when you carry it. I can tell you that. But that's just it's so freaking smooth, y'all. Just pops right out. So, as much as I hate to, let's do some tests on it and see how bad I'm not going to hurt this thing. Because I don't want to hurt it. Give me a piece of paper here. Like butter. I mean, just. Yeah, it's folding on me there. It's folding on me there. Okay. Do we got something going on here, or is it the paper? Because, oh, sorry about that. Paper's a little wet. Condensation. So let me grab another one. I just keep paper everywhere because I do my test out here, so I'm sorry. But here we go. There we go. Right there. Yeah, it folds. That happens fun too. Man, I need some new paper. So yeah, it's cutting, y'all. It's got a good edge. Where is? I don't know if I can actually fold that over and do this, but here we go. I don't got a big enough piece. Hang on a second. Let me find me another massive piece. One moment, please. I got a lot of this stuff, and we'll just show you right here. Will it cut? Yeah, it will. So, cut test. Yes, it cuts. Yes, it cuts. And for the third time, yes, it does cut. Are we going to whittle some wood? Why not? Here we go. Man, that just digs in there. Well, I'm throwing wood everywhere, I can tell you that. So yeah, it whittles wood. So, did I mess up the blade? I will take a look. I do not see any folds on there. Back here. It's always a hard place to sharpen right back here. But that is a really, I don't see anything wrong with the blade. So, tell me what y'all think about this one. I really want to see, I want to hear some comments on this. I want to see them because that is cool. I ain't gonna lie, when I first got it out, I actually thought it was rusted. I know y'all did too. Because I was not used to seeing Damascus with the copper and the brass like that. So yeah, Yousunlong. I'm gonna tell you right now, y'all keep it up. Great business, great company from what I'm seeing so far. So I wonder if we got a name for this thing. Doesn't have one that I can see. So if there is a name for this knife, I will also throw it back up here as well. So here we go. So another product review that I brought to you from good old SEMO-MAC here. Tell me what y'all think about this. Do y'all like it? Hopefully you do. And if you do, there will be a link down in my description for this. Like I said, click on it. It'll take you straight to it. And if you want one, indulge. Get you one. Like I said before, I don't discuss prices on here. I'll let y'all see that for yourself. But this is good. This is a high quality knife and I like it. So, are y'all asking if this is SEMO-MAC approved? As I put it down, that's 2 thumbs up. If I had 2 more, I'd throw them up behind me. Matter of fact, I might just roll them all the way across. So, definitely thumbs up on this one, guys. So, with that being said, with this freaky, colorful handled knife, SEMO-MAC always tells you to be kind and to have a great day. This is SEMO-MAC, and I'm out. Peace!